Hey guys, replaced the two capacitors. That's the two old ones. They're 2200 UF, 25 volts. Both of the tops, and they're quite fried and bulged. Two bad capacitors. I got them replaced with a couple spare ones I had kicking around. A couple 3300 25 volt. And we are sitting at 13.7. 13.8. You adjust the voltage. There's a the potentiometer down right here. You can adjust your voltage up or down on that one there if you have to do it. But there you have it. There's another SEC1212 with blown capacitors. Once again, these ones are usually the ones that fail on these. So if you've got an SEC1212 or 1223 or any of the SEC, like this one, then do yourself a favor and get rid of these two caps and replace them. They are, I don't know. I'm not sure what the problem are with them, but they are junk. They're not holding up to this. But yeah. $13.8. Anyways, just a little update. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. 63 out.